Okay, cut it back.
Yeah, I'm as far back as it'll go. Okay.
You good right there? Get it off the ground so we can test it.
All right, it's day one of CarCraft Week to Wicket presented by Speedway Motors, and I'm pretty excited about this build.
So am I. It's definitely different than all the other ones we've done, so
yeah.
I think it'll be fun.
So we got an early Nova, gasser style. We got the whole team from Speedway here, which is gonna make it that much easier to get this car together.
I think so.
We also have a guy coming in tomorrow who knows everything about these cars, gasser style. He can go way more into depth about it. So today's build, we got a lot of things to do. We're gonna dismantle the car, get the front and rear suspension bolted in. That is that straight front axle we were talking about. Get the brakes going. So we got a full day, let's get going. Yeah, we can do the buzz the wheels off and let's get the cross member bolts undone for the training.
Oh, yeah. And the drive shaft?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the stand for the hood.
Okay. Okay. I hate using these sometimes because when you get too far, you know.
You get stuck.
Yeah.
Roll one out of the dirt.
All right.
Alrighty, all yours. There we go. So we're taking the hood off, obviously, because we're dismantling the car. First step will be radiator, core support, engine, and trans. This car does not have a V8 in it. It has a straight 6 in it. So we will be replacing that with a big block Chevy, which is kind of cool.
What are you doing?
Well, I didn't think there was water in this.
Here, let me get one of those.
I cracked open the petcock, there was nothing coming out of it. But apparently there is.
Yeah, well, the real reason we put that roll cage in there is because it had this really bitchin' 6-cylinder in there. It was twisting the car like crazy.
Yeah. I think we'll be okay.
I know if I bought him a cake, I would have smashed it in his face or something.
That's the Mexican tradition.
Oh, it is? Then I'll go get you a cake. I didn't realize.
They tell you to buy the cake and they're like, put it on the chain to lift this motor out. Gotta find a way to do it. Yeah, there you go. Go like that right there. All right, careful with your back because you're coming in with the forks.
All right, I'm out of the way. There we are.
There we go.
Okay.
Come back.
I'm gonna bring that pallet over here, Jay. There we go.
Surprise!
Surprise, surprise!
Oh, there you go.
Look at that. You can put it over there with all the other stuff. Look at that. Who wants to buy a clip?
All right, so the front clip is out of the car and it was pretty easy. There's about 14, 15 bolts that hold it in. Slide it on out. Now we're gonna prep the area, get it ready for the front axle kit. But before we do that, we're gonna get the rear end out so we can get the rear going too. It's good workout.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Again!
All right, so we got the whole subframe with the straight axle kit all laid out. I think Joe's still pulling a couple parts for the brakes, but other than that, I think we can get ready and start assembling it. Cool. It's pretty cool. Straightforward.
Yeah, it's really simple. And this has our new heavy wall axle too, so it's 3/8 of an inch thick instead of just being 1/4 of an inch thick. So
I felt that when I picked it up.
yeah, definitely.
A little extra weight, which is good for wheeling popping.
Absolutely.
I'm greasing up these bearings. There's a little tool that we use here. Just keep pushing it until it comes out the other end. Yep. That came out through the bottom of the bearing. Means it made its way through. Now we're just gonna go ahead and use whatever's left over.
So now it's time to assemble the spindle to the axle, which is held in place by a kingpin. Kingpin's got a notch here, there's a set screw here to lock everything in. Make sure that's in the flat spot. Yep. Tap that into place.
Is there
It is, yeah, if you hold it on there, you see how one of these is deeper than the other? Mm-hmm. So like if you put it, you need the bearing on there. So the bearing goes in there like this. So I was wanting to look and see which direction the caliper brackets go. See those little,
Yep.
those
The little
pieces
spacers
there?
on the
They
side.
go inboard.
Okay.
Christian, you want to hit those brackets on?
And then there's those two washers, these
One.
that go
Two.
in between there.
So we're gonna put our cone washer in between our bracket and our heim joint, just like that. Steering box is going in. It's all getting prepped pre-hand before it goes on the car. It's kind of nice.
So with the monoleaf installed, it's time to get the housing in there, and then we can assemble the rear end, everything from the axles to the brakes to the third member and shocks. Do it.
Yeah. There's the other side. Man, they're almost a perfect height already, too.
All right, we'll do this. Oh, it's too high. Go lower. Go lower. Oh.
I won't put this on your cheek.
Yeah, because that would have been really simple.
Kind of just gotta eyeball it a little bit. And we're done with the rear end. Somebody.
So it comes out. I guess you thought we were doing it too quickly. All right, so we're wrapping up day one. Parts flew, basically bolted themselves on the car.
Yeah, that was pretty easy. Easier than I expected.
Yeah, would you, 15 minutes for the front end?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Half hour for the rear end.
I mean, it took a little more time to obviously put it on the table and put everything together, but once that was done, it bolted right up, the rear end bolted right up. Everything looks really good. We're getting out of here a little bit early, conserve some of our energy for the rest of the week, and get some rest, maybe a beer, and get back at it tomorrow.
All right.
Cool.